we're done with our last topic, which is quadratic formula. Alright, so we have the equation, which is negative b plus negative the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, yan yung gagamitin natin in order to solve this quadratic equation. So, let's have identify first sa example number 1 natin, which is x squared minus 5x plus b ay plus 4 is equals to 0. So, identify first what is the value of a, what is the value of b, and what is the value of c. So, in our case, our a here is 1 kasi may invisible 1 po dyan. Nakasama si x. Diba? Let's assume na meron. Then, b is negative 5. And next is c is 4 or positive 4. Then, substitute these values of a, b, c to our quadratic formula. So, let's have it. So, negative b, alright, which is negative 5, plus and negative b, which is 5, negative 5, so squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is 4, all over 2 multiplied by 1. So our a is 1. Alright, so negative multiplied by negative, this becomes 5. Positive and negative square root of negative 5 squared is 25. So we have minus 4 multiplied by 1, we have 4. Multiplied by 4, we have 16. So all over 2. So we have 5 plus and negative square root of 25 minus 16. So we have 9. Alright, so all over 2. So what is the square root of 9? Ito na ako. Alright, so we have plus 5, positive and negative 3, all over 2. So since nakuha na natin siya, separate lang po natin yung positive and negative 3. So let's have it. So we have the first, so the first x is x 5 plus 3 divided by 2. And then yung isa naman is 5 minus 3 divided by 2. So let's have it. 8 divided by 2. So we have 4. And this one is 2 divided by 2. So we have 1. So sa equation o quadratic equation na to, we have the roots, which is 4 and 1. So that's how to solve quadratic formula on the given equation x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. So let's have the second example, which is 12x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals to 0. So let's identify first what is our a, b, and c to our equation number 2. So we have 12x squared minus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0. So our a is 12, our b is negative 5, and our c is negative 2. Alright, so using the quadratic formula, so substitute negative 5, okay, negative multiplied by negative 5, plus and negative 5, yung b natin, square mo lang, minus 4, multiplied by a, which is 12, multiplied by c, which is negative 2, all over 2 multiplied by 12. Alright, so negative multiplied by negative, this become positive 5 plus and negative. So the square root of negative, squared of negative 5 is 25. Next is minus, okay, minus 4 multiplied by 12, so we have 48. Multiplied by 2, we have 96. And negative to. So we have negative 96. So, magbabago tayo ng sign kasi pag multiply natin ang negative sa negative, this become positive. So, mawawala na yung negative sign dyan, papalitan na yan ng positive. So, positive. Ano madam? Hindi ko lang para mas ano. So, this become negative 96, diba? So, pwede yan masulat na square root of 25 plus 96. Kasi negative multiplied by negative is positive. Kaya po siya naging positive. So, all over 224. So, we have 5 positive and negative, the square root of 25 plus 96, so we have 121. All over 24. Alright, so what is the square root of 121? So we have 5 positive and negative 11 all over 24. Next, we're going to separate lang po the positive and negative 11. So we have 5. Medyo di na pinta. Hindi na siya pinta. So, hindi ko nalagusan ako. So, we have 5 plus 11 all over 24. Hindi na rin siya pinta. So, baba ko lang po ng konti, ha? Na ng space eh. So, 5 plus 11 divided by 24. So, we have 16 divided by 24. So we have 4 over 6 or 2/3. So yung isa, 2/3. Isa naman is 5 minus 11 all over 24. So we have 5 minus 11. That is 6 over 24 or 1 over 4. So we can say that in this equation, we have 2/3 and 1/4 as the root using quadratic formula. So that's how to solve quadratic formula. Right? So, I hope nakatulong to as your reviewer sa Math 9 and God bless sa inyong examination. So, kung meron pa pong tanong regarding sa ating pinag-aralan sa Math 9, don't hesitate to ask me. Alright? So, chat lang po ako. Goodbye!